Today we're tackling something that affects every single person watching this video, and that is estate planning. Now, before you click away thinking this is too complicated or only for wealthy people, give me just a couple minutes to show you why this matters for you and your family. I promise to make this clear, simple, and most importantly, actionable. Here's a shocking fact. Over 60% of Americans do not have a basic last will and testament. That means most families face years of legal battles, unnecessary stress, and lose thousands of dollars in inheritance after losing a loved one in probate court. But here's the good news. You can prevent all that with some simple steps. Let me show you how. First, let's clear up what estate planning actually is. Think of it as your family protection plan. It works while you're alive, continues after you're gone. Everyone over 18 needs it, and it's not just for wealthy people. The basic pieces include a pour-over will, powers of attorney, healthcare directives, HIPAA authorization, and a trust. Let's talk about the last will first. Here's what every last will and testament needs. Someone to handle your estate, that's your executor, a list of what you own, who gets what, and guardians for your kids if you have minor children. Now, let me share some common mistakes I see people make, and that is forgetting to update beneficiaries, writing very unclear instructions, missing important signatures, and choosing the wrong person to be your executor. Now, let's talk about trusts. Think of them like protective containers or a bucket for all of your assets. You have two main types of trusts. Living trusts that work right now, and testamentary trusts that work after you have passed away. The benefits are huge. You avoid court process with a trust, you save time and money, you keep everything private, and you protect your assets. Now, for something crucial, powers of attorney. And there are two types of power of attorney. I see a lot of people try to combine them into one, but I think it's better if you separate these out. And that the first one is financial power of attorney or durable financial power of attorney. This person handles your money, pays your bills, manages your investments, and makes financial choices for you. Second is your medical power of attorney, mind, body, and soul. They make health decisions for you, they talk with your doctors, they follow your healthcare wishes, and they advocate for you. Let's talk about your medical instructions. You need to state your care wishes, clearly what you want to happen. This is a guide for your family. Help doctors decide, and it reduces family stress because you have made these decisions ahead of time. Here's what you need to do. First, just start. Just like everything else, just start. Second, check all your beneficiary designations on different types of accounts. Third, choose your representatives. Fourth, list your digital assets. Fifth, store your documents. And sixth, schedule annual reviews. Remember, estate planning isn't about wealth, it's about loving your family enough to make things easier for them later, and really for you if you become incapacitated.
I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.